last, so that will help.
Now, from golf to football, Harambee Starlets are determined to turn past heartbreak into triumph as they kick off their 2026 Women Africa Cup of Nations qualifiers campaign against Tunisia on Friday at Ulinzi Sports Complex in Nairobi. After a year of the agonizing exit at the hands of Botswana, the team seeks to make amends and secure a spot in the continental stage.
There are two who reported the day before yesterday, so that is 2 days before the match. And sometimes it's crucial for us as a team. You don't get to see them well as a coach, or they don't get to prepare well for the match. But good thing is that we have the second match. So in the first match, those who are ready will show. Those who are ready will play. But the rest, we have a few days before the second match, then for us to see them.
Hii game si rahisi na si ngumu, but tunaitake kama hizo games zingine. Juu qualification ni very hard. So tutajiprove wenyewe na tuko ready, tuko tayari. Tunajua